Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we're gonna be playing some more Creative Destruction. Jaden. Jaden. Are we gonna be doing the explosive mode today or what? Alright, we're about to play some squads. No fill explosive. Alright. I know you guys see my new outfit and everything. Yeah, I know y'all be like, hey, my boy looking fresh today. Yeah, I know. No, leave me alone. Don't roast me. Don't roast me. We got what? You say you have a carrot around your back. Do I like that? My God, get away from me. I have a carrot on my back too. Bo, back up, Bo. Back up, Bo. Don't get near me. What the heck's wrong with my game? No, I'm not. I'm not lagging. Hey, I'm right down there. Hey, you down there too? I was down there. I was the first one. What happened to your account? Oh yeah. Okay, guys. So Jaden dropped his phone in the lake when like when the tornado happened or whatever, and then like he couldn't find it. Okay, it doesn't matter. Tornado, hurricane are the same thing. It's just in different areas. No, I'm not. Fight me then. Okay, I see you improving with your smartness skills. But but you don't got no hands. Bro, remember that time? Bro, remember that time when Kaden asked you, did you want to tap? What you say though? I said no. Man, cause them nah, cause them big fellows, bro, they be hitting hard, man. He might crack you open. Yeah, that joke was funny, man. Jaden, is that you? Jaden, run. Jaden, Jaden, help, help. Oh my God, they're all around us. Run. This is a bad decision. They're down there too. Hurry up, Jaden. Kill them all. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. I'm gonna go hide in the bush. I'm a bush camper now. No! I won't let them kill you. No, don't die. No! I'm gonna grab it as soon as. Ouch. If I don't die. Dang it. Alright. So. That was a little extreme. So let's go back to, you know, freaking. Oh, hold up, my guys. I'm sorry, guys. Duos. Re. Oh, hey, hold up, Jaden. Hold up. Okay. We need like a what? Macaroni and cheese and some cake. Hey, me some cheese and some cake. Cheese and some cake. That actually macaroni and cheese don't sound too bad right now. I don't really like the guys dance. It's just super weird. Like Dexter. How how are the people like okay, no, I'm not even gonna ask questions. You wanna know what? Exactly, my god. He said dead stroke. He said dead stroke pro though. That's the only thing. Like Mayday. Please, it's time to vacate. Rob your lady. Throw put their hands up high in the air like you're about to do. Where we going? Put your marker down. Jaden, put your marker down. Oh, okay, I see it. Cause she in my cockpit. Hold up. Pop, like, that thing like I got big. Dive bomb. Dive. Active. We're gonna what's it called? Engage in 3. Right here. I think I might go to, I don't know. You can go to the big building because I don't see anyone right now. I'm just landing at some random. Okay, well, don't die. Someone in my... But what? Yo, no, I'm done. I'm done with this game. I'm done with the game. I'm done with the game. I quit. Jaden, I'll see you later. I'm done. I quit the game. I'm done. I quit the game. I done. I quit the game. I quit the game. I'm done. I'm quit the game. I'm done. I'm quit the game. I quit the game. I quit the game, Jaden. No, it's fine. I ain't quit. I don't like how you can die that literally fast. Someone shoots you one time, you're literally dead. Man, that man was like, Jesus, take the wheel. Nah, because then everyone on YouTube's gonna, like, expose you for hacking, and then, like, your account's gonna get deleted. All I get is headshots. It don't matter what. Got headshots on my mind. I ain't never giving up. You know that, Jaden, you know that day and night song? Day and night. The lonely stoner is just free in my night. I, I, I. Jaden, did you hear me? I said, do you remember that day and night song? I said, do you remember that day and night song? Yeah. That no, but that song was that song was I like it's still stuck in my mind. That song was nice. Like when it first came out, I was like, hey, okay. You want chicken nuggets fries or you want something to steak? Yeah, me too. Day and night. Candy girl. That song. You look so sweet. Bro, stop being fruity about it. You're my favorite tree. Bro, stop it. Yo, I swear to God. Yo, Jaden, you about to get clapped. You about to get clapped. Clapness. Clapness confirmed. Clapness confirmed. Your bun cheek. Jaden, your booty's gone. Your booty's gone. Your booty's gone. You're dead. Rip Jaden. Rip Jaden, guys. He lived about a point 2 point second life. I don't know. 2.5 second lifespan. Right, guys? Oh, never mind. You good now. You good. You good. You good. You good now. What? Got him, boy. Sit down. Jane, you fruity. Oh, yeah. He jumped off the counter. Yeah, that man Loki hopped off the counter, my guy. Like, I wasn't, like, first time I saw it, like, I couldn't stand it, bro. That joke was funny. Like, it was stupid, but at the same time, it was funny. Jane, I need your help. Someone's on me. Oh, snap. He got aim. He got aim. Help. Why? What? He's right there inside that fort right there. Yeah, the only fort that's out there actually. I'm Loki right here in front of this bush. Yeah, right there. He should be in there. Is he in there? Dang, I missed every single shot. I didn't even hit him once. Oh, pick up his suit. Oh, never mind. You can't because you're a girl. Not trying to be gender biased. Just saying you're a girl. Can't pick it up. Pick up my hat. Pick up my froggy hat. Pick up what? Oh, those bandages? Thanks. Pick up my frog. Oh, thanks, thanks, thanks. Fam, you have my back. Oh, you don't need a scar? But oh, you want me to? Okay. You want me to just hold on to this thing right here, this cube? All right, bet I'll hold on to it. All right, bet. Uh, I'm just looking right now. I'm just looking for a shotgun and a sniper rifle, and now I'll be good, and some bandages, so I can complete my inventory. Some more shield would do nice. Yeah, scope ARs are doo doo. It's like whenever we use them, it's complete doo doo. But whenever someone else uses them, they hit them like 2 times. They hit us like 2 times, and we're done. Exactly. It's like when you it's like when you go ultra. It's like when you go ultra instinct. I'm not coming back from that. Yeah. I was wiping up my phone. You got a what? Oh no, I'm good. Question is, do you want these grenades? All right, bet. Just yeah, cause I can't hold them. Purple pistol. My guy, what you gonna do with that? Yo, I hear you from here. The pistol's doo doo. I can hear you dancing through the phone. My guy, chill. No more dancing. I low key can hear you walking. I hear you breaking. Move your phone a little. Here, what was I about to give you? Oh, here, take those. Huh? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. You a weirdo. You moved your phone into the bathroom. My guy, you're a fruitcake. Leave me alone. Bo. Bo, Jaden. No. Then stop saying I'm definitely not, because then that makes me think you doing it. Okay. Do you have a shotgun at any? Do you have any type of shotgun? Okay, because we about to roll up on some fools. I don't know how close they gonna get, but he probably ain't gonna get far. He's already downed. I think it was only one fool, and this guy was a real fool. How am I not hitting him through the water? There we go. There we go. I want to see if I can hit him with the shotgun from this range. If I can, shotgun throw OP. Hold up. Hold up. Okay. Shotguns are like they got literally their aim. Their aim. If you get hit, if you see someone with a shotgun, you already know you're gonna get messed up. Cause their aim is like unstoppable. Exactly. Like Okay, the only like I used to use the burst and I loved it, but now since the update, they just made it like spray everywhere. Like you barely hit the target. Yeah, bro, like for real. That's why my setup done got messed up. Like I used to use the burst, the Uzi, and then a sniper. I think I don't think I ever used a shotgun because like my Uzi was technically like my shotgun. What shields over there? Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, I still got the purple thing. Yeah, I still got it. AK, weighs better. For I can give you AK ammo if you need some. Wait, hold up. Let me see how much ammo. Actually, I don't have any AK ammo, but still grab it because the AK is actually pretty good. Like I just don't like it in my opinion because of like my like what the AK. But I want sniper. I don't have ammo for it either. But I want a sniper. That's just that's the only reason I don't take AKs because I don't like guns that take up the same ammo as each other. I said I don't like using guns that take up the same ammo as each other. Oh, we forgot this guy's loot down here. What did he have? He had nothing, right? Oh, hello. How are you doing? Spray. Spray. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Nice. That ended really quick. I I at least wanted her to put up a fight, but that was actually kind of sad. Huh? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. I don't know, that man hit me. Let's go get that fool. Let's go get that fool. Huh? No, that was just her. Dang, my game lagging. Lagging. How many kills? How many kills do you have? Oh yeah, I'm the same here. Here, you need some of this too? Alright, well here. Just give it back whenever you get done. Still waiting for my game to stop lagging. I said give it back when you get done. I'm just waiting for my game to stop lagging. Alright, that's good. Dang, bro. Finessing my stuff. Yeah, like... Oh, snap, we gotta go. Come on, let's go. We gotta go to the circle. You gotta... Okay, my game's lagging like crazy. You said they what? What do you mean they nerfed them? Like they're weaker now? Oh yeah, I noticed that because like you remember when we used to have the snipers, they did 99 damage no matter what. Yeah. Yo, my god, my game's lagging. Okay, I think my game's. They said they about to take out either revolvers or regular pistols from the game. Someone's shooting at us from behind, right here, over here. It's somewhere over here. I don't know where. Oh, I see them. They're fighting each. I think they're fighting, or I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, they are fighting. Go get that guy right there that's building over there, and I will get the guy right here. Or you just go for whichever one you want. Oh my god, my game, bro. If I get into this gunfight and I start lagging up, I'm gonna be mad. Snap, snap, snap. I'm getting shot up. I'm getting shot up, bro. This can't be no bot. This can't be no bot. There we go. How'd you get two people? Grab me one of them. Oh my god, my game. My game had like one of the biggest lag spikes in history. What is there another sniper down there for me? But dang, bro, all that's left is bandages. When you know a real war done happened, all that's left is a revolver and two bandages. Hold on, man, cause I gotta let my internet come back. Dang, bro, my game lagging, bro. Hmm? I told you my game lagging. I just gotta sit still. All right, I think I'm good now. Yeah, I'm good. That's what I like to do when my games are lagging. I just sit still. I really want to use these electric landmines, but there's no really use for them. Like I'm so serious. You gonna see them. I don't know how you won't see something like that, but you're going to see it. It's either if you can't see that, you're just an idiot. That's just my opinion. Dang, bro. Hold up. I gotta sit still real right. I gotta sit still right now. Shut up. Huh? I low-key can't understand a word you're saying. If we lose this, I give up on life. Facts. Shut up. Come on now, fam. What? You need some shield? What? You need some lube? JD, you still remember that? Jaden, I got you an AK if you want it. I got some ammo for it too. Ow! Jaden, he's hitting me with the shotty from that far away. He's about to thirst you. He's about to thirst you. Dang. All right, I knocked this guy. I don't care what it takes, but I'm coming to get you. Who is it? Your neighbor. Were they good or what? Bet. All I got is one shield though, so here. There actually I got three. Never mind, my bad. I didn't know I had three. It's three inside of there, so go ahead. I think I see where he opened the airdrop at. I only got a little bit of ammo left. Yeah, I see one of them running across the field. Yeah, he's about to open the airdrop. Hold on, I'm just waiting for him to turn back. Yeah, you see him over there? I'm out of ammo on my AK. I'm out on my SCAR. We're gonna have to move up, Jaden, because I'm out of ammo on my SCAR. Ouch. Ow, man. What is this man hitting with? I think I know where his partner is, and I don't want to go over there. Hit him once with the shotgun. Nice. Rush him, rush him, rush him. Hey, nice. How did that even... Nice, nice, nice. I hear him talking. I heard him talking. Did you hear him too, Jaden? He's like, well, I knocked that dude. I didn't know you could actually do that. I knew that's where he was. Oh, dang. Build around me, build around me, build around me, build around me. Jaden, Jaden, build around me. Jaden, build around me. Dang, you missed completely. Just jump out of there and turn to the back. Nice. Alright, bro. I'll see you later. Alright, guys. Well, as you can see, we're not complete failures. So, yeah, actually, oh my god. Anyways, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Alright, peace.